In this video, I will show you how to blend text in Adobe Illustrator. Go to Type tool and type your text. Adjust the text. Right-click and choose Create Outline. Change this color. Adjust the gradient color. Alt-press copy this text. Change the color. Right-click Average and choose Bring to Front. Now we will select both text. Go to Object Blend and choose Blend option. Choose the specified steps. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Object, Blend and choose Make. Follow the process. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.